guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, A.MaRee. Today we're doing another Boxycharm unboxing. You know we've been all hyped about the Boxycharms every month, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got in this month's Boxycharm and let you guys know what I feel about the Boxycharm box. But before we go any further, if you're new, welcome babe. I would love for you to join the family. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, hey boo, I see you. Now let's go. Alright, so we got our box this month. And I do have the pamphlet. It says Peace, Love, and Boxy. So, I'm not going to lie to you guys. As soon as I got the Boxycharm in the mail, I busted wide open to see what I got. Because I was super excited about Boxyluxe last month. Like, that was lit than a mug. So, I can't wait for another Boxyluxe to come out. If you guys have been trying out the Ipsy, what is it, Glam Bag, the $25 one, let me know what you guys think. And should I bring that to the channel and do like a comparison of the Boxyluxe versus the Ipsy little bag thing? Y'all, I don't know, y'all let me know down below in the comments. But here is what we got in this month, and you guys, I can say I am super excited. First thing that we got was the Lashaholic luxury lashes, and these are in the style Instaglam. Boo, they look like this. And I've heard of Lashaholic before. I just never tried any of their lashes. So I was super excited to get these. Oh, they're cute. $14.99. And it says, elevate your eye look with a new Lashaholic lash. These 100% vegan falsies made with premium silk fibers gives your lashes dimension, natural looking length, and volume. And like I said, these bad boys are $14.99. And I think I'm going to like this. I've never really paid that much for lashes, but I kind of feel like these are going to be some nice looking lashes on your girl. So far we're at $14.99. And the next thing that was in the box is this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. And this one is in Purple Dream. You guys, ever since Jackiana had came out with her two shades, LeBron's and La Peach with Artist Couture, and last time Boxycharm, when I first started getting Boxycharm, I got Illuminati. You guys, I've been addicted to these. I've been addicted to Artist Couture. So I'm liking that it's in the shade Purple Dream, which I thought it was going to be purple, but it's really not. Oh yes, that's pretty. I'm trying to get that tape off, you guys. Only a little bit is kicking up, but this is pretty. Let me close it before I bust it all over my face. Oh, it does have purple in it. Oh, can you guys see that? I knew it. I thought it was going to be some type of purple. The Artist Couture is $27. It retails for $27, and it says this all natural, vegan, and cruelty-free loose powder highlight can be used on the eyes, lips, and face and body. The versatile formula is highly pigmented and suitable for all skin tones. Create a suitable luminous finish or layer on for an unreal glow. Okay, so the next thing we got is this 3-piece Luxie brush set. You guys, y'all know how we all feel about Luxie brushes. Like, come on, I can't be the only one. The Luxie brushes are bomb. Now, the good thing about Luxie brushes is they come in your Ipsy. They come in your Ipsy bag, but it only be one, and they come in your Boxycharm, so you could get a taste. You could get a taste of Luxie brushes through both subscription boxes. So we have 3 brushes here. Let's see. This one is the Luxie 425 small shader brush, and it looks like that. Then we have the Luxie 512 small contouring brush, which I'll use this for contouring and sweeping off any bacon. And then we have the Luxie 209 large shader brush, which I will use this for a shader brush or to contour my nose right up in there. So I'm super excited to get these brushes, and like I said, I love Luxie brushes, like bomb. So this 3-piece set is the Summer Daze 3-piece brush set, and these are worth $28. So it says the Luxie Summer Daze 3-piece brush set was curated for a perfect festival look that will last all day. Use the Luxie 512 brush, small contouring brush to sculpt and define your cheekbones, while the Luxie 245 small shader brush is perfect to pack on your base eyeshadow and glitter. And then grab your Luxie 209 large shader brush to pat on and blend out any eye look. But I like that they gave you that, because we did get the PUR Festival Palette. This is what I was most excited about. Like, this right here is what I was excited about. This is the 12-piece this is the 12-piece pressed pigment palette, and it's in the Festival Palette by Pur Cosmetics. I seen everybody unbox this in their Boxycharm unboxing, and I was like, oh, I gotta have it. I know I gotta have it. And Boxycharm is really, really freaking good with giving out a palette every month. So I like that about Boxycharm. And I didn't mention in the beginning, but Boxycharm is a $21 monthly subscription, and every 3 months you can upgrade to, I think it's $48 for the Boxy Luxe. And in the Boxy Luxe you get 7 to 8 products, full-size products, and in the regular Boxycharm you get 4 to 6 full-size products for $21. So I think it is a steal. I think it's a great way to test out new makeup and build up your makeup, because for $21, I'm going to tell y'all at the end how much this box actually retails for. So if you want to check it out, or, you know, dip a dab off into the website, I do have a link down below that will take you straight to Boxycharm. Y'all, this smells like Too Faced chocolate palette. Oh my god, it has a nice mirror on it. Let me read the mirror. The mirror has a saying on it: treat every day like a festival. I like that. Okay, so here's the colors, which I'm super excited about. Look at these colors, you guys. Look at these colors. I'm only gonna swatch a few so that we won't be here all day, because I kind of do want to come back and give like a full video to this look, to this palette. So I kind of want to see. Oh, look at that, you guys. Oh my god. Oh, they're soft. That pink kind of looks patchy, but we're gonna see. Oh my gosh. You guys, I almost just died over this red right here. Like, let me just swatch the green one just to see what it's like. Oh, look at that. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my god, I'm super excited to play in that. Okay, so let me read what it says. I'm gonna cover it back up and stuff. So the festival palette is $36. It retails for $36. It says unleash the ultimate festival vibes with this limited edition 12-piece pressed pigment palette that's complete with bold, imaginative pigment that elevate your look for any occasion, from boho inspired to metallics to eye-catching glitters. Each cruelty-free shade is infused with skin-loving ingredients. And like I said, this retails for $36. And then the last thing we got was the Butter London Power Up Mascara. And you guys, if y'all been watching with me for a while and been rocking with me, you guys know I love the Double Decker Mascara by Butter London. You guys should know that I'm super excited to try this out because I absolutely love the Double Decker mascara. So this mascara retails for 20 bucks. And it says experience length, definition, and curl retention with Butter London's Power Up Mascara featuring all day wear. With the first swipe, a unique oil-free blend of nourishing waxes instantly produces noticeably longer and more defined lashes. A second swipe adds thickness and volume without clumping. The soft and creamy formula is infused with hydrating jojoba extracts and water-resistant polymers to reduce smudging and flaking for a full 8-hour day. You guys, I am super excited to try this out. But you guys, that was everything that came in the Boxycharm. I want y'all to tell me down below what y'all got in y'all Boxycharm, or are you into the Boxycharms every month? Because I am. I'm always here for the Boxycharms. So if you guys enjoyed the stuff that I got in my Boxycharm, you might as well go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell so you won't miss when I do a full face using this month's Boxycharm products. So let me grab my phone so we could total this up and let you guys know how much our $21 box really is. Okay, you guys, this month's Boxycharm added up to $125.99. So if we take away the $21 that we spent, this box was really $104.99. You can't tell me that's not a steal. You cannot tell me that all these products that actually cost over $100, we only paid $21 for. Come on, you guys. And you get good stuff in the Boxycharm. So make sure you check the hot box below and click on Boxycharm link. Before you go ahead and check out that link, once again, I want you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends so you won't miss another video from your girl. I'm super excited to come back and give you guys a full face tutorial with these products. So make sure you click that notification bell so you don't miss it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Once again, let me know if you got your Boxycharm this month and what products did you get. And I'll see you diamonds in the next one. Deuces.